Ijaw Youth Congress don't tell federal government say make them stop the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation Limited from borrowing $3 billion emergency crude oil repayment loan from the African Export-Import Bank. The National General Secretary of the group, Maye Unagi Obu, yarned this one for one talk section with Tori people for Port Harcourt, where he talk say the deal na threat to the nation's economy and say make them not allow am. E cost talk say e go take more than 8 years to pay back the worth of the money them borrow, and that's what means say the company go dey out of profit.
So we're now saying that, first of all, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should zero in into this and do not allow these people borrow this money. Because as Niger Deltans, we cannot be paying for what we're not consuming. Secondly, we're also asking that how much of these monies would come specifically to develop the Niger Delta, especially, coming to also revamp the infrastructure in the Niger Delta. We need economic reconstruction of the Niger Delta. How much of these monies, is coming to do all of that? The NNPC should also provide answers for us. Thirdly, the NNPC should tell us if they must go ahead to borrow this money. How many years have they agreed with the AFREXIMBANK? What's the time lag for that? How many years have they agreed? Because the number of years will also increase or probably reduce. But the highest and the best they can do is what I've just told you, that if it's capped at $70 per barrel, it will take 8.9 years for NNPC to be able to. And that's not possible because that would mean NNPC is using all of our production. All the production that NNPC makes, that's what they will use. And that would mean NNPC will be out of profit. They won't make any profit in 8.9 years. So that means they are borrowing something that they can't even pay for a government that will not live more than 8 years.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Port Harcourt, A. Carter Ojesoli, TMC TV News.